In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Sheets and Clickup to get, create, and update tasks seamlessly using Zapier. This integration is perfect for those who want to automate workflows between these two powerful tools. Let's dive right in. First, open up Zapier in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're at the Zapier homepage, you'll see the dashboard where all your activity happens. Your first task is to create a new Zap, which is simply a workflow that links two apps to perform a series of automated tasks. To do this, locate and click on the Create button. After you've clicked Create, the next step is to access Zaps. You can find this option in your dashboard, which allows you to build your custom workflow. Once you're there, you'll need to choose a trigger, which is an event that starts your Zap. Click on the trigger button, and in the search bar type Clickup. As you type, Clickup will appear as an option and you'll want to select it. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a trigger event from a list of potential events. Select the one that fits your integration needs, such as when a new task is created. To proceed, you'll need to connect your Clickup account to Zapier by clicking Connect Clickup. Follow any on-screen instructions to authorize and integrate your Clickup account. Once connected, click Continue. With Clickup linked, it's time to configure exactly what data you want to pull from Clickup. You'll see fields such as Choose Value, where you can specify the particular space, folder, or worksheet you're targeting. When selecting items like space and folder, make sure you pick options that align with your team's organization in Clickup. Click on different options like Choose Value and select the relevant space, or specify No Folder if it fits your Zap setup. Having set up your trigger, it's time to configure an action. This is where Google Sheets comes into play. Click on Action and search for Google Sheets. Select it as your action app and choose an event, such as creating a new row when a new task is generated in Clickup. Similarly, connect your Google Sheets account to Zapier by selecting Connect Google Sheets and then clicking Continue. Now specify the Google Drive and spreadsheet you'd like to use by clicking on Choose Value for each section. Select My Google Drive and choose the appropriate spreadsheet and worksheet to ensure your data flows correctly. You're almost done. The final steps involve specifying the worksheet to copy to. This allows you to maintain consistency across your data. Once you've selected your worksheets and verified your setup, it's time to make everything live. Click the Publish button to activate your Zap. And there you have it, you've successfully integrated Google Sheets and Clickup using Zapier. Remember, automation is about saving time and reducing errors, so take advantage of these seamless workflows to enhance your productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe for more handy tech tutorials.